Massive gains are coming. But are you ready? Think about it. What if you could position yourself right now to ride the biggest crypto wave of 2025? Sounds tempting, right? Here's the deal. While everyone's panicking over market dips and political shifts, the smartest investors are quietly gearing up for what might be the biggest wealth transfer of our time. On this channel, Crypto Yield Pro, we don't just talk numbers. We uncover the hidden strategies that separate the winners from the spectators. So if you're ready to stop guessing and start profiting, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications. Trust me, you won't want to miss a second of what's coming next. Let's kick things off with a little perspective, shall we? Bitcoin has been on one wild ride this year. It rallied a jaw-dropping 180% in 2024, enough to make even the skeptics do a double take. But just when you thought it was smooth sailing, we hit a 15% dip. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this a warning sign? Well, not so fast. History tells us that these dips aren't just normal. They're practically a rite of passage in Bitcoin's life cycle. In every halving year, Bitcoin has danced through similar drops, only to soar higher afterward. And these patterns aren't random. They're rooted in cycles that you can actually predict. If you're feeling a bit rattled by those 20% drops earlier this year, take a deep breath. Bitcoin is playing a long game, and dips like these, they're just the warm-up act before the main show. Zoom out for a moment, and you'll see the bigger picture. Bitcoin tends to thrive in halving years, with the real fireworks coming after Christmas. It's almost as if the crypto world unwraps its biggest gifts once the holiday decorations come down. And here's why that matters. Those who held on to their Bitcoin through the chaos of 2024 are now staring down the barrel of some serious profit potential. But let's be real for a second. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day drama of price swings. One minute you're on cloud nine, and the next you're wondering if it's all about to come crashing down. That's why seasoned investors swear by a golden rule. When in doubt, zoom out. Look at the historical data, and you'll see that Bitcoin's most explosive gains often come on the heels of its most nerve-wracking dips. So, the question isn't whether you should panic during a downturn. It's whether you're ready to capitalize when the tide inevitably turns. Here's where things get really interesting. Bitcoin smashed its all-time high, climbing to an eye-popping $108,000. Let that sink in for a second. This isn't just a milestone. It's a massive statement about where crypto is headed. But it's not just Bitcoin making waves. Altcoins like Solana and Cardano are stealing the spotlight too, each carving out their own pivotal moments. Solana, for instance, is riding the edge of a breakout that could flip the script for investors looking beyond Bitcoin. It's like watching a supporting actor step into a lead role. They're ready for their close-up. Now, let's talk numbers, because they tell a story that words just can't. That $108,000 peak, it's more than a figure. It's a testament to Bitcoin's resilience. But here's the thing. The altcoin space is buzzing with equal intensity. Solana, often dubbed the Ethereum killer, has traders holding their breath as it teeters on a breakout. Meanwhile, Cardano isn't just sitting pretty. It's gaining traction with some groundbreaking updates. These aren't just coins. And here's a fun fact to chew on. While Bitcoin grabs headlines, the smart money is eyeing the entire market spectrum. Altcoins like Solana and Cardano are positioned as both hedges and high-risk, high-reward plays. Think of it as diversifying within crypto itself, covering your bases with Bitcoin while taking calculated swings at the altcoin market. It's a strategy that's catching on like wildfire, especially as more institutional money pours into the space. And when institutions move, you'd better believe the ripple effects are felt across the board. Here's the plot twist no one saw coming. 2025 isn't just another year in crypto. It's the year the political tides finally turned. For the first time in history, a pro-crypto U.S. president is in the driver's seat, and that changes everything. This isn't just lip service either. Key figures in Congress are championing blockchain adoption, pushing for clearer regulations, and setting the stage for widespread acceptance. It's as if the crypto world finally found a seat at the grown-ups table, and the implications? Nothing short of transformative. Think about what this means for adoption. We're no longer stuck in the wild west of regulatory ambiguity. Instead, 2025 is shaping up to be the year crypto goes mainstream. Picture this: government-backed initiatives making blockchain education more accessible, businesses embracing crypto payments without hesitation, and international partnerships built on decentralized tech. Political support isn't just a feel-good story. It's the catalyst for innovation, stability, and, let's be real, profitability. When the rules are clear, everyone, from retail investors to institutional giants, feels more confident jumping in. But it's not all roses and sunshine. There's a flip side to every coin. While pro-crypto policies are a boon, they also come with challenges. Increased regulation could stifle some of the more experimental projects, and not everyone in power is ready to hand the reins over to decentralized systems. Still, the momentum is undeniable. We're seeing a shift from skepticism to collaboration, with governments recognizing that blockchain isn't just the future, it's the present. And if 2025 has taught us anything, it's that when politics and crypto align, the possibilities are endless. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of what really drives those jaw-dropping crypto charts. When you look at Bitcoin's performance during post-halving years, one thing becomes crystal clear. The big moves happen when everyone else is second-guessing. Historical charts reveal that the most profitable stretches often come after those nerve-wracking dips, like the 15% drop we saw now. It's like climbing a roller coaster. There are steep drops, but the thrill comes when you reach the peak. And right now, we're on the cusp of what could be the next big surge. Let's talk strategy, because this isn't just about staring at charts. It's about reading between the lines. The $72,000 low some analysts are predicting? Sure, it sounds scary, but even that would represent a higher high compared to previous cycles. And that's the beauty of Bitcoin's resilience. It's not just about where the price lands. It's about the upward trajectory over time. For long-term holders, this is like being handed a cheat sheet. The data screams one thing: don't let short-term noise drown out the long-term signal. And then there are the altcoins, which are following Bitcoin's lead but carving their own paths. Platforms like Solana are breaking past key resistance points, and even Cardano is showing some serious momentum despite market uncertainty. This is where technical analysis shines, not just for predicting trends, but for identifying those golden opportunities hidden in plain sight. The message here? Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious newcomer, now's the time to sharpen your skills, tune out the fear, and position yourself for what's coming next. Here's the bottom line. Everything we've talked about today isn't just theory. It's your blueprint for navigating the 2025 crypto boom. But here's the thing. Knowledge is only as good as the action you take. So ask yourself, are you going to sit back and watch, or are you ready to jump in and claim your piece of the future? If this video gave you value, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Crypto Yield Pro for even more insights that can transform your financial journey. And hey, I've got something extra for you. A game changer for anyone looking to master DeFi and build real financial freedom. It's my exclusive ebook, packed with strategies, tools, and insider tips you won't find anywhere else. You'll find the link pinned in the first comment, so make sure to check it out and take the next step towards securing your crypto legacy. Now, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest takeaway from today's video? I'm curious to hear how you're preparing for this massive opportunity. Until next time, stay sharp, stay bold, and let's make 2025 our most profitable year yet.